Hi guys, in this short video, I'm gonna tell you that how you can easily post anonymously on Facebook groups. So that's quite simple. But before starting the tutorial, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and you have liked the video. Thank you. So first of all, open up the Facebook application. Then you will have to click on menu section and then click on groups right here. Now go to any groups that you have joined. For example, I will open this one. Now for example, I will click on write something here, and now on the top you can see an option of post anonymously. Now just click on it, and here you can see anonymous posts published in the group do not include your name and profile photo. Click on got it, and now your post will be uploaded anonymously. So that's how you can easily post anonymously on Facebook groups. So if you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.